Hey friends! So right now, my nails are looking pretty basic. Just a layer of pink builder gel. But hold on, because here are my nails now. For this spring-inspired design, I went with a soft lavender polish, silver chrome floral designs, and of course, a giant Swarovski embellishment. Because why not add a little extra bling? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I did this set. My long nails are protected with a layer of pink builder gel. This keeps them strong and acts as the perfect foundation for my nail art. This will last up to 4 weeks, no problem. I'll be posting a full tutorial on how to apply soft builder gels soon, so stay tuned. Let's talk about the main color, this gorgeous lavender shade called Freesia by Luxio. It's got that perfect sheer jelly finish, giving the nails a delicate tint for springtime. I'm applying one coat to my index and ring fingers and curing for 30 seconds. Next, the second layer to build up that color. Since this polish has some translucency, you could go for 3 layers to make it fully opaque. But I love the jelly effect, so I'm stopping at 2. The other nails will have a floral design. You won't want to miss this part, so keep watching. Time for the flowers. I'm using a dotting tool to create 5 petal flowers on my thumbnail. I'm spacing them out so I have room for pink flowers and leaves next. Now for the pink flowers. I'm using Blossom by Luxio, and I'm making these flowers just a little bit smaller than the purple ones. A quick tip here, flash cure for 3 to 5 seconds after each flower to keep them from sliding around. Now that my nail is filled with flowers, I'm doing a full cure for 30 seconds. Next, I'm applying a matte top coat. This one is Matte On by Akzentz, and curing for 30 seconds. Then wiping off the sticky layer with alcohol. The matte reveal gets me every time. A quick buff with a buffer block to make sure the chrome sticks only where I want it to. It's definitely a hack I can't live without. Brush off the dust and we're good to go. Now let's outline the flowers. Don't panic. This is easier than it looks. I'm using Black On by Akzentz, a no-wipe gel polish, which is very important for chrome application. I'm picking up some polish with an ultra-fine brush and loosely outlining my flowers. No need for perfection here. The chrome will smooth everything out later. Once I'm happy with my outlines, I'm curing for 30 seconds. For small details, I'm adding 3 dots in the center of the purple flowers and 1 in the pink ones. See? Instant floral magic. Cure for 30 seconds. The empty spaces need some love too, so I'm filling them with leaves. Again, no stress about perfection. Cure for 30 seconds. Here's the silver chrome I'm using. It's from Floral and I'll link it in the description. Applying it with a sponge applicator, and wow, this transformation is gorgeous. It looks like liquid metal. Brushing off excess powder with a fluffy brush. I did the floral design on my middle and pinky fingers off camera, and now it's time for top coat. I'm using Shine On by Akzentz, and it's my holy grail because it's super shiny, stain resistant, and has hard gel in it for extra strength. Curing all nails for 30 seconds. Now my favorite part, bling time! It's spring and more sunlight means more sparkle, so let's go all out. I'm using Chaton Swarovski crystals in pink, purple, and an AB Aurora Borealis one with a pointed top. So sparkly, but also so pointy. I'll place it carefully so it doesn't catch on things. To attach, I'm using Balance Clear by Akzentz. This hard gel never lets me down. Scooping up a nice ball of gel and rolling it onto my ring finger. The ring finger is the best spot for big embellishments since it's not used as much. Big crystals can be tricky to pick up, so I'm just going to use my fingers. The pointy crystal goes near the cuticle, the pink one on the other side, and the purple one will face the free edge. I'm pressing them together so they set into the gel properly. I'm curing for 30 seconds. Now let's fill in the gaps with some more Balance Clear. Once that's done, I'm adding a smaller AB crystal here, a silver one on the other side, and another one for the back. Can't forget the gap on the top, a tiny silver crystal goes here. I'm curing everything for 30 seconds. Next, I'm sealing in all the edges with Options Clear by Akzentz. This soft gel flows into any gaps to create a smooth, seamless ball of crystals. I'm applying it carefully and curing for 30 seconds. We're almost there. Final top coat time. I'm using Shine On again, but remember, never top coat over crystals. Think of it like prongs on a diamond ring. You want them to hold the gems, but not cover them. I'm using a smaller brush for precision, making sure everything is sealed in, adding a coat to the rest of the nail, and curing for 60 seconds while rotating my hand in the LED lamp. And here's the final look. Of course, gotta finish with cuticle oil for that healthy, hydrated finish. What do you think of this design? Let me know in the comments. If you try it out, tag me on Instagram, I'd love to see it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!